So here's one of the big fidget spinners that we're going to use. Here's a smaller version, there's a bigger version, smaller version. These are all done except for the bearings to be put in. So I'm going to show you how I try to put this together. First thing we're going to do is we're going to load 3 pennies into each hole here for the weight. Put this on there. I usually take a screwdriver and just kind of pound down through like that. And then we're going to turn it over, and we want to pound these back just a little bit because we want to put one of these caps on each thing there. I want it to kind of fit in there. So we're going to lightly tap down in so there's just a little room. So now we can take some super glue. And we'll go ahead and just kind of squeeze some on like that. Take this and we'll kind of just pop it down in there. Should fit pretty good. Get those on there like that so they're kind of flush, and then I turn it over and go ahead and pound those pennies back down flat. Up against the cap. So now they'll be glued on there. Then you load 2 more pennies in each one. Okay, so now I have the 3 pennies loaded in each one. Got the caps on the one side. Put the caps on this other side then. And these might be indented a little bit farther than the ones on the back side. These will be flush, these will be in a little bit. And then if you see on like this one, if you wanted to, you can print off another cap with some design in it, like a letter, or like these are baseballs. And you could, I just super glue those right on top of these things here, but I'm not going to do that with this one. Okay, last thing we want to do is we want to put in the ball bearing. So we're going to put that in just right here flush with this. And then I usually take a towel or something soft kind of over the top of it. And I just try to do a little tap on it. So it starts going in like that. Until it's flush. Looks pretty good. So the last thing we do is we take these caps and we're going to put them in there, and we put one on one side and one on the other, and the way that they're measured out is that they'll be touching each other, and you should still have a little bit of room in between the top and the bottom of this thing if you do it right. So you want to kind of put one in a little ways and put the other one in a little ways and keep trying to push them until they come together. You don't want one side too far in. So try to push that in a little bit. On the other side, we'll do the same thing. And you can probably leave it as far out if you want, but I like to try to push them in more until they can't go in anymore and they're touching each other, but I don't want to have it all the way down to touching the thing. So that's pretty close. I don't know if you can see the little gap between each side, and I can't push them in anymore because they're touching in the middle. So there we go.